Hey guys, I'm Megan. This is my model Karthika. I'm a senior stylist here at Blue Hair Studio, and today we're going to be doing some awesome, beautiful beach waves on my model. Alright, so let's get started. There's no color in her hair. She's not really big with a lot of heat tools or anything along those lines, so we're just going to do a nice, normal balancing shampoo, okay? Now we're going to use our Amika Normal Core shampoo. Very gentle cleansing shampoo. It's also a balancing shampoo. We're just going to use it on our model today because she doesn't have a lot of coloring going on in her hair, nor is she a big fan of using hot tools. So we're just going to go and do a couple pumps of these, okay? We're going to just go ahead and we're going to use the same conditioner for the same line, just on her mid-lengths and her ends, and then just gently emulsify into the root afterwards. Okay, so now we're going to use our Bombshell Blowout Spray. We're going to go ahead and just spray it all throughout her hair. And I'm going to end with just a tiny bit of our Blockade Serum. Just to go ahead and apply it on the ends. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna apply our shield on our client's hair. This is gonna just act as an anti-humidity and then also a heat protectant when we go ahead and we start our flat press curls. Spray it all throughout the hair. You wanna get underneath. Just really make sure you saturate and apply all throughout. So now we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna kind of take diagonal sections, all right? Not too big, not too small, as you can see there. And then now we're just gonna come in with our iron on an angle, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn once and then pull down. All right, and then we're gonna move to our next section. And the same. Come in, turn once, and pull down. So as we get further up the head, I like to start in my center part and then work my way to the outer bits. So again, just taking sections, not too big, not too small. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna come out at 90-degree angle and then come in with my iron and then pull down. So the hair in this section here is a lot longer, so we'll have to turn it about 1.5 times, okay? So we're just gonna come it down. We're gonna turn it 1.5 and down. Now what the down does is it creates a little bit of a straight end. This is what we're doing On her today, we're creating more of a beach wave. If you want more of a curled look, then you would just continuously turn the iron until it reaches the ends, and then just continually pull out until it ends around the iron. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna finish with Undone. This is just a finishing spray. It's gonna create volume and texture all throughout. And how we're gonna apply it is just by bringing our head back and lifting up the hair and spraying into it, okay? And what you're doing is you're just really getting it all throughout the hair, okay? And then what you want to do is just kind of bring your fingers through, just separate and release. We're going to take a little bit of our serum again, just a tiny bit. Okay, just emulsify it into our hands. And bring your hair back for me, thank you. Okay. And then let's just go ahead and finish it off with a little bit of our Flux's Untouchable spray. Just gonna go ahead and put a tiny bit on my hand. Don't really like to use a lot of hairspray for most times. And then just kind of just pat down those little flyaways. We don't really want to flatten our style because we just gave her some beautiful volume. We're just gonna kind of control those little flyaways. And just like that, voila. So let's give her a spin. You can take a look for that beautiful texture. Now we're finished with a beautiful head of beach wave curls. All right, guys, very easy, very simple to replicate at home, okay? Don't forget, whenever you're spraying your products in, to emulsify and spray under and into the hair as opposed to on top for best results, okay? Thanks so much for joining in. Thank you to our beautiful model, and see you guys later. Thanks so much.